We are doing connective tissue. The main functions of connective tissue are to bind body tissues together, support the body, provide protection, and transport materials. Extracellular matrix is the non-living material that surrounds living cells. The two main elements in extracellular matrix are ground substance, which is majority water, adhesion proteins, and polysaccharide molecules. The second one is fibers produced by the cells. There are 3 types of fibers. Extracellular matrix is necessary for support of the cells. Other functions are performed by extracellular matrix depending on what kind of cell that is being discussed. The fibers are the main structure in connective tissue that carries out the main functions of binding and supporting, protecting, and transporting. The form of these fibers determines the specific type of connective tissue and its specific function. For example, adipose are the fat globular cells for insulation and fuel storage. Dense connective tissue are fibers closely packed together, and they're used for strong support for connecting bone to bone and muscle to bone. Areolar is elastic fibers for flexibility needed to connect muscle to skin. Tommy. Our first is areolar, and that is cobweb-like. As you can see, the fibers are interwoven and not in a pattern. Our second one is adipose, and those are fat globular cells, as you can also see. All the white circles are for storage. And our third one is reticular, and they're interwoven fibers like within the cell, as you can see. You can't see as well as the other one. The next one is dense connective tissue, and it looks like stratified squamous, but you can follow the lines all the way through, as you can see here. The next one is hyaline cartilage, which is a fine fiber and rubbery matrix for flexibility. And the next is elastic cartilage. It's disc networks, and dense and more flexible than hyaline cartilage. The next one is fibrocartilage, and that's highly compressible and very tough, more dense, and you can find it in your vertebrae and in between joints. The next one is blood tissue, and those are just little discs, as you can see. And the last one is bone tissue, which they look like rings, like you can see. And
that's